So I'm Calum Stewart, Director of Defence Programmes for Speed 3D in the Middle East. Speed 3D are the world's only cold spray 3D printing OEM, and we are based out of Melbourne. Speed 3D are here in the Middle East because this region has always been a manufacturing powerhouse. But to future-proof going forward, we need to be digitising and bringing along new manufacturing technologies, just like cold spray, allowing us to make the materials of the future and more complex parts and geometries for oil and gas, for defence, and for the industries that we don't know yet for this region. Speed 3D have really enjoyed coming to AM Conclave for our first time. A thriving event with academia, with defence, with business, coming together and sharing and talking, generating relationships which will lead to business, which leads to better, more advanced, more digitised manufacturing for the region in the future. So a fantastic place to come to get that started.